mountains, a low voice half whispered, welcome to the north where the ghosts don't sleep. Slow poetic brogue. There's a shadow on the skyline, a storm beneath the sound, and the patriots come marching thinking they can hold their ground. But this city's built on pressure, on the weight of winter nights, on the roar of restless spirits, on the bones of ancient fights. They don't know the way the thunder shakes the rafters in this place. They don't know the way the faithful wear the battle on their face. You can hear the echoes calling from the alleys to the bay. You can feel the whole town breathing like a beast that's waking gray. This is a rain city reckoning, a howl from the northern wind, where the blue-green blood keeps beckoning, and the patriots break again. You can run from the cold, but you can't hide from the sound, 'cause the hawks bring the storm and the storm brings you down, and the storm brings you down. There's a fire in the bleachers, there's a tremor in the ground. Every heartbeat in this city is a war drum shaking loud. They've been living off their legends, off the ghosts of seasons past. But the dynasty's a memory and the cracks are showing fast. We don't bow to faded banners, we don't kneel to tarnished rings. We were forged inside the rainfall, we were born to break these kings. You can hear the echoes calling from the alleys to the bay. You can feel the whole town rising like a wave that won't obey. This is a rain city reckoning, a howl from the northern wind, where the blue-green blood keeps beckoning, and the patriots break again. You can run from the cold, but you can't hide from the sound, 'cause the hawks bring the storm and the storm brings you down, and the storm brings you beckoning, a cry from the northern wind, where the blue-green blood keeps beckoning, and the patriots break again. You can run from the cold, but you can't hide from the sound, 'cause the hawks bring the storm, and the storm brings you down. The storm brings you down. A single guitar rings out, rain fades back in, a final whispered line, welcome to the north, where the storm wears